Today's quick tip is on the easiest way to get someone to take action on your site, whether that's becoming a lead or actually making a purchase. And the way to do that is simply to make something free. We have an irrational reaction to when things are made free that goes above and beyond the value of the thing actually being free. Let me explain. Dan Ariely ran a study where he was selling chocolate. So he had a kiss that was 1 cent or a Lindt chocolate that was 26 cents. And students could come up and they could pick one or the other and purchase it. And people were kind of split. They had more people going for the Lindt than the kiss, but then they changed up the study. So now the kiss was free and the Lindt chocolate was 25 cents. So the difference in cost was still 25 cents. As before, it was 1 cent and 26 cents. Now it was free and 25 cents. But suddenly, people overwhelmingly chose to get the Hershey's Kiss. So that means that they were valuing the concept of it being free beyond the actual monetary difference of 25 cents. You can take advantage of that by making something on your website free. So you can add a free gift, free consultation, free shipping. Now this is how we end up with all of these stupid little keychains from conferences that we don't actually want. Would you ever pay 1 cent for a keychain with a company logo on it? Probably not. But we end up with a whole bunch of free stuff because we simply can't resist. And you can take advantage of this on your website or landing page by offering something for free when your visitors take action. So that's today's tip. For more tips, click through to additional videos and check out my full list on conversion rate optimization for any visitor. Click below to subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications when I put up more videos like this to help you increase conversion.